Before we start today's video, Simply Carbon Fiber sent me another product to share with you guys. If you guys don't remember, they sent me the carbon fiber card holder, which is a must. It is amazing for any carbon fiber lover. They sent me a variation of it, and that is the forged carbon fiber card holder. Look at that. For all you fans who love forged carbon fiber, now you have the option to get it. You can fit anywhere from 3 to 6 cards, and it has a money clip on the back for all your cash. Look at the difference. Both of these have held up very well, and they are amazing. If you like the regular carbon, they offer this, as well as forged for all you forged lovers. Link is in the description below if you guys are interested, as well as an exclusive promo code just for you guys for everything on the website. Now, let's get back to today's video. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today, we are finally going to install something I've wanted to install on the Lexus for a long time. Before we can install it, I actually have to drop it off for powder coat right now. I do want to show you guys what it is before I powder coat it. I've had this in my garage for about a month and a half, maybe 2 months, and now we can finally get the ball rolling for this mod. And it is a roll cage. It's so random. I wouldn't have wanted to put on the roll cage until I supercharged the Lexus, because roll cages aren't really necessary for cars that aren't that fast. I mean, I know it's a safety thing. If a car gets hit from the side, or you know, it rolls over, it won't get all crunched up, so it's definitely for safety, but I mainly wanted it for the aesthetic. This is really good quality. So let's pull this out and show you guys. It's a 2-piece half cage by RSR Studio. At least it matches the Tesla. Oh my god, this is kind of heavy. Alright guys, here it is. This is a custom roll cage by RSR Studio. If you guys have not heard of them, they make roll cages for a bunch of different cars. Supras, BMWs, Audis, every single race car you could think of. So their products are high quality. Damn. So you guys already know, I want to get it powder coated a different color. White would definitely be more visible, but that's just not me. Nothing on my car is really white. And they came white, which, I mean, I don't mind. But the reason why I'm going with powder coat instead of paint is because I've had this for a while. It's hit a bunch of different things. I've like dropped it before. I put in the dirt in my garage, and there are no scuff marks whatsoever. Still looks brand freaking new, like it was just powder coated yesterday. I was considering painting and going to my mechanic, but I just know that paint would chip or crack or even get scratched. So powder coat is the way. I think the only downside of having the roll cage is that I'm not going to be able to recline as far back as I have it now. It's going to be a little bit of a sacrifice, but I'm cool with it, I guess. The cool thing about the roll cage is you don't really need to cut anything in your back seat. What I was thinking was just having it come out of the seat, because all it does is bolt onto that. You take out this plastic clip, and there should be 1, 2, 3 bolts. Yeah, you're gonna be using those bolts right there. All right guys, I decided I'm not gonna test fit this because I am running late to go drop it off. Figure out how to take this out. I got it undone, but I'm assuming I'm gonna have to take this piece out. This is what I was talking about. Those bolts are gonna mount the roll cage, and then I'm pretty sure that latch will go right over it and still be functional so that you can put your seats back up. I'm gonna go drop it off, and hopefully it comes out great. Fingers crossed. Today, we finally installed the roll cage. Hopefully, at least do a little bit of a mock-up. This is what I've been doing so far. I got the rear seat cushion removed. I should take this out of the sun so it doesn't fade or crack. And this is what I've been doing. So we got the bottom cushion out. We need to get this out of the way so we can pull the side bolster out and get this plastic trim off to access the 3 bolts for this latch. Taking out this cushion is pretty easy. You just kind of lift up here and lift up on that side, and it allows us to have access to this bolt right here. I might as well vacuum while I'm in here. Oh shit. So that's where my Lego piece went. Yo, I forgot about this. That's crazy, I lost a bunch of shit in here. How could I lose shit back here when I never sit back here? Yo, more money, I'm rich. So this should be a 12mm bolt. Ah. Okay, now that the bolt's out, I guess we can just move this up. Now that this is up and out, I have access to these bolts because that is exactly where the roll cage is going to bolt into. Oh my god, what am I doing? I just realized I haven't showed you guys the roll cage yet, huh? Here it is. It's still wrapped up, but freshly powder coated. Check that out. Candy apple red, guys. That looks freaking amazing. You already know. We're doing a black and red theme. Gotta make it match. So I already got one side out. Just gotta get that other side, those 3 bolts right there, and we can do a test fit. Today is probably just going to be a test fit because I lost the hardware for the roll cage, so I can't really put it together, but I did order a hardware kit from RSR Studio and it should be here within the next day or 2, and then I can actually assemble it. But I do want to see if everything fits, everything clears. Have you guys ever seen a car with the roll cage and a chandelier? Neither have I. It is so damn hot today, oh my god. I love California. 5 hours later, don't ever install a roll cage. 5 hours later, I'm starving. I hit my face with the roll cage. It was insanely hard to get in. I didn't even want to film, that's how hard it was. Just to give you guys a quick rundown, I had to take out both front seats. I had to remove the rear seats. Like we're talking, I had to take this out, slide it under because it didn't clear the roll cage, but it is in. Guys, don't get a roll cage. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I just finished cleaning up, bolted everything back down. Yeah, that's how it looks. It's a really tight fit, but the only reason why it's like that is because I don't have the hardware. I'm just using hardware that I have at home just to keep it together for now. But once I get the actual hardware from RSR Studio, I think it'll make the biggest difference. Oh my god. What do you guys think? Give you guys a view of the RCF seats with the roll cage with the chandelier. Ooh, it's pretty tight fitment right here. I did scratch up the roll cage a decent amount because it was a pain to get it in here. Obviously I couldn't do it by myself. I had my girlfriend help me. It was so hard, but totally worth it. Check it out. Chandelier totally clears. Barely clears. That's some tight fitment. Yeah, I need to get this ceramic coated and cleaned up. Yeah, what do you guys think? This is it so far. I still need to mount it to the chassis, but I don't have the hardware. This won't go in correctly because I don't have the hardware, so I will film again in the next day or so, show you guys everything about the roll cage, get the car cleaned up, get the roll cage cleaned up, and yeah, I'm just so tired, guys. Oh my god. I was screaming like crazy installing this. Like, we're talking every single time I couldn't get something to fit or to go the way that I wanted it to go, I'd just be like, fuck. Definitely didn't want to film that. It would have been funny, but give you one last look before I show you again the next day when it's all cleaned up. Pretty fire. Have other things to do today, so see you guys soon. All right, guys, I finally installed the roll cage, got all the hardware. This is how it's looking. So we're gonna have Danny over at Culture Auto Spa ceramic coat the roll cage for me, just to protect it, make sure it's good. I've been driving with the roll cage and it's been pretty chill. The only thing is that when I brake, the chandelier kinda hits the roll cage, so you just hear like clink, clink. All in all, I think it's so sick. Can't wait to ceramic coat it and then just clean up the car. Also, if you guys have not seen my last video, I didn't take my car to go see all of my friends, and this is why. I was getting some work done with the wiring. Look at how clean that is. If you guys remember, it was such a mess. Had like wires all over the place. Now it's really, really clean. Huge shout out to my buddy Dom. If you need any work done, electrical, air suspension, whatever it may be, hit up my buddy Dom. He recommended these gold terminals and I'm so glad he did, because check it out. He installed this and you can see my battery's voltage. That is so crazy. Absolutely in love with this. He cleaned it up. Now it looks amazing and the engine bay is a lot cleaner. Roll cage boys, chandelier boys, with the starlights and the roll cage. Let's head over to Danny's. What up, man?
Happy Memorial Weekend.
Oh, yeah.
Happy Memorial. Yes, sir.
Guys, Danny always has to take out the canopy for me because look at this driveway. It's so narrow. I can get in, but it's mainly getting out. I'll go off the curb. So next time I come, I'm bringing wood blocks, bro.
Hey, man, it's all good, bro. Whenever, wherever, we got you.
Of course, we have Danny's whip, always looking clean. I still can't get over this, guys. He used to have splitter rods, and now he has like, I don't even know what you consider this, but this is freaking fire. It flows with the lip so well. Looks like a whole new bumper. If any of you guys are Q boys or have Infinities, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you used to have one and which model, because I've been digging them lately. Damn, guys, Danny has a full-blown car day today. All right, Danny, what are we doing right now?
So right here, we're adding a 3 to 5 year ceramic coat on this roll cage bar. Even though it's still a little bit more protected under the sun and that kind of thing, but hey, why not, right? The whole car ceramic coated, might as well do the interior. I know this might have been a little bit of tough to install, right? So like, let's add a little more love to it, you know?
Yeah, scratch the hell out of it, but it's all good.
Part of the game, you know? This is a nice red, man.
It's a candy apple red.
But it reminds me of your headlights pulling up. Like sharp red, you know?
Just keep a black and red theme. Can't go wrong with that.
Red, you know, like the Jordans. It's my favorite color combo, man, black and red.
It just goes well.
I think you too, huh? He's a Niner fan, so that's how you know. If you guys could feel how soft these metal tubes are. Nice and soft, guys.
Nice.
That's what you want.
So what do you think of my new coupe?
I love it, man. I thought I was gonna take a ride with you in here one day, you know, but looks like we lost the 2 back seats, man. But I love the chandelier, man. It's a good touch.
I should be doing like Uber or something. Wait a second, you're done with the roll cage already?
Yes, sir.
That was fast as hell.
Roll cage is done.
Damn, guys, if he did it that fast for the roll cage, brother, imagine all the things he could do on your car. So if you guys want to get anything ceramic coated or paint corrected, hit up Danny. Finally looking clean again. And then he just finished ceramic coating the roll cage, so now it's protected. It's still gonna look good and it's gonna be really soft and slick. All right, guys, Danny absolutely crushed it. It looks so good. The rest of the car looks amazing and I'm just so happy. Roll cage is finally installed, protected. Like, dude, what more could you ask for? Sheesh, roll cage boys. Finally clean once again thanks to Danny's treatment and the ceramic coated roll cage. It's kind of hard to see. I also have tints on my windows, but I personally like the roll cage. It's more just for me, not really to show it off. I've always wanted one. I know you guys are gonna be like, why do you need it? But this car will be supercharged someday. It's not gonna be making that much power, but I just think it's a mod that I've always wanted and it fits, in my opinion. Not with the chandelier, but I mean, it still looks pretty cool. Let me know in the comments below if you like it or not. Even if you don't, I'm still keeping it. Definitely adds a little bit more flavor to the build. Yeah, I definitely like it. You can kind of see it in the back right here. Sort of, maybe. I know you can see the chandelier, but my favorite view is definitely right here because it just makes the seats look so much more aggressive. I love it. All right, so do you guys want to know the real reason why I got these monkey bars installed in my car? It's so I can hang dry my clothes. Let's go. Who else can say they can hang dry their clothes in their car? You gotta admit, that is hilarious. Obviously, you know, the car is gonna attract a lot of heat from this hot day, and if you were to put wet clothes, it would dry. You can't tell me that roll cage doesn't look sick. And there you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. This roll cage was long overdue. I did it way earlier than I wanted to, but it came out really sick. Huge shout out to Jay over at R&L Powder Coating for getting this done so freaking fast and getting the exact color that I wanted. Also, huge shout out to Jeff for selling me this roll cage. I can't believe that it went from a legendary owner to another legendary owner, and now I have it. So that is like mind-blowing. Give you guys one last look. I think it looks really good, very subtle. Adds to the car. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos soon. I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.